Hello, today we are going to study about rabies. What is the synonym of rabies? Hydrophobia means fear to water. Phobia means fear. Hydro means water. Fear to water. Madness. It is highly fatal viral disease of all warm-blooded animals. It is communicable to man. Means it can transmit it to man. What is the etiology? It is caused by rhabdovirus. It is also called as Lissa virus. Lissa virus. Transmission. It spreads almost always by the bite of rabid animal. Those animal which is in the condition of rabies, if that animal bites another animal, it can transmit through saliva or through contamination of skin wounds by fresh saliva of infected animal. Symptoms: furious form, paralytic form or dumb form. Furious form, paralytic form or dumb form. Furious form. In furious form, change in behavior, restlessness and excitement seen in the animal which is infected by the rabies. Sexual excitement, hypersensitivity to sound and movement. Hypersensitive to sound and movement. Tendency to bite either animate or inanimate objects, means any type of object. Profuse salivation. Profuse salivation means salivation continuously. Frequent and loud bellowing or barking with harsh voice. Frequent and loud bellowing or barking with hoarse voice. Death within 2 to 4 days in cattle and 8 to 10 days in dog. If the cattle is infected with rabies, it will die within 2 to 4 days. If it is in dog, it will die within 8 to 10 days. Next, see paralytic or dumb form. Dumb form. Okay. Here, decreased sensation is seen. Hanging of lower jaw and protrusion of tongue. Protrusion of tongue is seen. Incoordination in gait. Drooling of saliva. Voiceless attempts to bellow or bark. Voiceless attempts means there is no voice. Yawning movements. It will like yawning movements in late stage. Inability to swallow food and water. Food and water, you have studied water. Fear to water means hydrophobia condition, like that. Inability to swallow food and water. Progressive paralysis, recumbency and death within 6 to 7 days. In paralytic and dumb form, recumbency is seen and death within 6 to 7 days. What is the diagnosis? History of bite by the rabid animal. Based on symptoms like that is hydrophobia, madness, like that. And detection of negri bodies in brain, hippocampus, smear. Detection of negri bodies in brain, that is hippocampus, smear. Isolation of rabies virus from brain tissue of affected dog or animal. Treatment. Actually, the negri body is seen in cattle in cerebellum, and in dog it is seen in hippocampus. Treatment. There is no specific curative treatment for clinical rabies. However, after dog bite, following treatment should be given. post-bite vaccination we can provide. First, irrigation of the wound with soap water immediately after exposure. We have to wash that wound with soap water immediately. Treat wounds with antiseptic like iodine and tincture of iodine or betadine solution, povidone iodine solution. We are normally used betadine solution, that is povidone iodine solution, that is the antiseptic solution. Post-bite vaccination with anti-rabies vaccine, that is 5% at the rate of 10 ml subcut for 14 days in cattle and buffaloes. There is another vaccine is coming, that is Raxia or rabies vaccine at the rate of 1 ml subcut on which is day, 0th day, 3rd day, 7th day, 14th day, 20 days, 28 days, and 19th day post-bite in all animal species. After biting of the animal, that the animal bites on that day, it is the 0 day, then next 3rd day, 7th day, 14th day, 28th day, 19th day, and keep the suspected animal under observation in isolation for 10 to 14 days. Then you can see this chart, that is the drooling of saliva condition is seen, that is the rabies infected animal. And here you can see the chart, that is the reservoir of the rabies is the canine reservoir. It is seen in mostly dogs. In saliva it is frequently seen, and wildlife reservoir, that is bat, and it is transmitted to non-reservoir domestic animal, that is like cat, and non-reservoir livestock, that is cattle, and it is transmitted to humans also directly or indirectly. Transmission pathway, that is the reservoir transmission, non-reservoir transmission, or enzootic transmission, enzootic in a specific area transmission.